how to change your Super Beer Adventure. So if you want to change your name in Super Beer Adventure, then what you need to do is you just need simply go back, tap on exit, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you need to tap on settings, and as you can see that you will have an option of adjusting your volume, and if you scroll down you will have the gameplay option, and if you again scroll down you will have some advanced graphics, inputs and everything, but you won't have an option to change your name in Super Beer Adventure. Then what you need to do is you just need simply go back and change your name on your Play Store profile, because the name that's in your Play Store profile will be added to your Super Beer Adventure. So go back and then open up your Play Store, go with your profile which is on the top right, or if you have your Play Games application, you can just simply go with Play Games. So first search for Play Games. Once you find it, you can open up your Play Games and then change your name on Play Games. Or just simply open up your Play Store, go with manage your Google account, go with personal info like your name, email and phone number, and then tap on your name. After that, edit your name right here. Once you've edited, it will be changed in your Super Beer Adventure. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.